Hey guys, it's Nadia from LiaDia Designs and I'm back with another quick video. This was a fun experiment I did where I wanted to try using a Druzy insert inside of a larger circle mold. So I just placed that Druzy insert right on top inside the mold, and silicone tends to stick to silicone, so it does kind of create its own little temporary bond there. And then what I wanted to do is just kind of layer in some clear resin as well as some colored resin and some glitter and some iridescent flakes, and just to kind of see what kind of effect I could get. Druzys in resin is a very popular trend right now, and I wanted to just kind of see what kind of effect I could get. So the first step was to put in a clear layer of resin just around the druzy but not covering it, and then I used my heat gun to heat any of the bubbles out, and now I'm just putting some champagne glitter around the edges. And as usual, all the products that I'm using I'm going to list in the description below the video, so if you're looking for links or discount codes, just check below there and you should be able to find what you're looking for. So yeah, so I'm going to add the glitter here, and then I'm going to custom make some colors that I want to use. I wanted to use kind of like a deep raspberry, almost a purplish color. So I'm going to mix a couple different pigments for that. One has a little bit of an interference type of look to it, so it's going to have a bit of reflection to it. And then I'm also using a white as well that kind of also has a bit of an interference as well. So it's gonna hopefully give some really neat effects. I haven't used these type of pigments too much in my work, but so I wanted to just try that as well. And you can see there's a really pretty color here. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the time lapse, and then we'll be back on the other side. Okay, so the last thing I did, as you can see here, is I just had the clear resin and I added in some iridescent flakes, and I just kind of filled the rest of the mold in with that on top. I know normally it's best to have clear resin for druzes to kind of show the real crystal look to it, but I wanted to experiment and I just wanted to see how some iridescent flakes would look. I know it might just kind of cloud the druzy a bit, but I wanted to take a look and see how that was going to turn out. So it's the next morning and we're going to go ahead and take this out of the mold. Getting it out of the circle mold was no problem. Getting the druzy out was a little bit more difficult just because it's inset into the resin, and this was actually a thicker druzy, so it's set in a little bit deeper. But once I got some tweezers, I was able to get that out pretty easily. As you can see, just had a lip there so I can get it out. And I just absolutely love the amount of shine and sparkle with these druzys. I can see why they're so popular. So a lot of people said these could be used as key trays or as jewelry trays or candy dishes. So they're a lot of fun, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys. Bye.